Thanks to Saddlemen's universal mounting system, the TS1450R Tunnel Bag is easily installed on just about any back seat of any motorcycle. Saddlemen's wide variety of seat, tail, and tunnel mounting bags are easy to mount and highly regarded as the motorcycle luggage that sets the bar when it comes to quality and functionality. If you're in need of a new heavy-duty tail bag, then the Saddlemen TS1450R Tunnel Bag is for you. Designed for all types of riding and style of bike, Saddlemen tunnel bags will fit everything from sport bikes to cruisers and all things in between. The aerodynamic shape and rider-convenient features make stashing your gear easy and does so with leading-edge style. The tunnel bag attaches to almost any rear seat or pillion up to 9 inches wide with an included mounting system and additional straps for extra security. Once secured to the rear seat area, the bag can be removed and reattached to the bike within seconds using a series of cam locks on the outside of the bag. It also has 13 exterior D-rings for attaching other items like jackets or other luggage, 6 of which are concealed D-rings to prevent scratching. All the exterior zippers are equipped with Saddlemen's unique self-healing zipper system, which includes chrome sliders attached to large pull tabs that are easy to grip, with or without gloves. You'll also notice the holes located at the end of each pull tab, allowing you to attach a travel lock for added security. Designed for every type of riding, this stylish bag comes in standard or wide base versions to fit virtually any style of bag with its quick-release mounting system. The bag's large main compartment opens a full 180 degrees and is spacious enough for a laptop computer. It's also equipped with a tech organizer for smartphones, digital cameras, or MP3 players. 3 internal pockets and 3 big exterior pockets allow for easy access on the go, and 2 of the exterior pockets are expandable, allowing an additional 2 inches for extra storage. Next up is the rugged 12 denier saddle tough semi-rigid construction, which is water resistant and includes an integrated rain cover. The TS1450R Tunnel Bag will keep your cargo safe and dry while improving the look of your cruiser. You can pick one up for around that $135 mark. Saddlemen offers a wide variety of stylish designs with exclusive features that you won't find anywhere else. If you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen luggage for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.